In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the proofing language for selected text in Microsoft Word. This is especially helpful when you're working with bilingual documents, quoting text in another language, or preparing content for an audience in a different region. Changing the proofing language tells Word which dictionary to use for spelling and grammar, so it can mark mistakes accurately without changing your app's display language or your keyboard layout. First, highlight the text you want to apply a different language to. You can drag to select a single word, a sentence, or a whole section. If you want the entire document to use the new proofing language, select everything first before moving on. Taking a moment to select exactly what you want ensures that only that portion gets the new language settings. Next, go to the Review tab at the top of Word. In the Language group, click Language, and then choose Set Proofing Language. This opens the dialog where Word decides which rules to use for spelling, grammar, and hyphenation for the text you've selected. From the list, pick the language you need. The list is alphabetical, so it's often fastest to type the first few letters of the language name to jump to it. If you see variations, like regional versions, pick the one that matches your audience or the conventions you're following. This helps Word apply the right spelling standards and grammar rules for that locale. Before you confirm, make sure the option labeled "Do not check spelling or grammar" is unchecked. If that box is checked, Word will ignore spelling and grammar for the selected text, even if you chose a language, and you won't see helpful underlines for potential errors. Leaving it unchecked ensures active checking in the language you selected. Once everything looks right, click OK. Word will now treat the selected text using the rules of the language you chose. You may immediately notice red or blue underlines update to reflect the new dictionary, which is a good indication the change has taken effect. If nothing seems to change, double-check that your text was selected before you set the language. You can repeat this same process for any other sections of your document that need a different proofing language. If Word alerts you that proofing tools aren't installed for a particular language, that simply means the dictionary for that language isn't currently available, and you may need to add it later for full checking. And that's it. With a quick selection and a few clicks in the Review tab, you can keep your multilingual documents clean, consistent, and professionally proofed.